how to record the screen on Google Pixel and Android 17 without having to install any apps. Let's take a look at what Google has given us with the latest update of the Pixel screen recording app in the June drop 2026. We press the button and the window with the first options opens. The first option to choose is whether we want to record the entire smartphone screen or just a single app. If we choose a single app, as you can see, an additional option opens up that lets us select the various applications we have open in the background, okay? In my case, I want to record the entire screen. Then we can choose whether or not to record the audio emitted by the device. We can choose whether or not to record the audio picked up by the device's microphone, for example, my voice in this case. We can do that. And here is the brand new feature. We can show our face, so we are also able to record our face while recording the screen. I'm turning it on. Here it is. By utilizing the advanced AI filter, the background of your original image is automatically removed, allowing your subject to be perfectly cropped and then seamlessly placed directly onto the Pixel's display. From there, we have the flexibility to enlarge our screen area, move it around to any position we like, and we can even rotate it quite easily, as you can see here. We can make it significantly bigger or much smaller depending on our needs. And once we are happy with the final result and the overall composition, we can then start the actual recording process. Another really useful thing we can do to enhance the demonstration is to enable the feature that shows the touches we make on the screen. In my case, I'm using a mouse, so you see the pointer. But if we were using our fingers, every time we tap the screen, a small white image appears to indicate that we're touching it. Of course, there is a clear warning displayed here that anything visible on the screen will be recorded, so Google tells us to be very careful about our personal privacy. When we are ready, we can start the recording. Let me show you just one more thing. By simply pressing down on this color palette icon, we can easily add a vibrant colored background to our project, okay? Instead of using the standard transparent background generated by the AI that cuts out our silhouette by gently tapping right on the screen with our face, you can see that we can seamlessly switch between 3 different shape presets: a circle, a square, and a rectangle, okay? So an additional customization option. I didn't know that. I just realized it while making this tutorial for you. Let's click on the color again to return to the previous screen. Once we're satisfied with the options, we can start recording by pressing the start button. There is a visual countdown of a few seconds. The recording has successfully started, and meanwhile, the recording from AZ screen recorder that I was using until now has ceased. Now we are actively recording everything with this built-in screen recorder instead. What are some of the useful features or actions we can actually do while we are in the middle of recording? As you can see right now, even while we're recording, we can simply move our image, reposition it, or resize it. So all the different types of adjustments we could make in the preview can also be made exactly the same way during the recording. The only adjustment we can't use during the recording process is the one that allows us to, for example, change the mask where our face appears to a circle. All right, I'd say we are ready to stop the recording now, and then I'll show you one last thing. Maybe we can also change the colors while we're recording. Yes, in fact, we can change the background colors in real time while we're recording. Or as we did at the very beginning, we can entirely disable the color and have only ourselves remain visible. Now we simply press this button to close out the color settings and stop the recording. We are returning once again to the third-party recorder so that we can show you the actual video we just finished capturing. As soon as the recording is stopped, it automatically opens up within this built-in editor. From here, we can already perform a variety of different tasks. We can apply automatic adjustments, which include features like automatic enhancement and video stabilization. Additionally, we have the options to cut and rotate the footage, add background music, or insert custom text. We can also manually adjust the brightness, the contrast, and all of the various fine-tuning settings. And finally, we can choose to add different filters to the project. Once we are completely finished, we go to save. Once finished, we save the entire recording, which will naturally be saved directly in our gallery, from where it can be accessed at a later time. That is all for our video today. I hope this new feature added to the Pixel screen recorder is absolutely phenomenal for you as well. For me, it will be incredibly useful for recording tutorials. As always, this is Antonio Camerino, your go-to Google product expert, always ready to lend a hand and solve the little digital hassles of everyday life. Subscribe and leave me a like. Thank you very much, guys. Bye. See ya.